Corn snakes belong to the group of non-venomous snakes that can be found in the southeastern parts of the United States. They inhabit fields, meadows, forests and rural areas, such as abandoned buildings and barns, that provide plenty of food. Besides in the wild, corn snakes can be found in the numerous homes worldwide, where they are kept as pets. Main threats for the survival of corn snakes are habitat destruction and accidental killing. Luckily, number of corn snakes in the wild is still stable and they are not on the list of endangered species. Interesting corn snakes facts. Corn snakes have slender body that can reach 24 to 72 inches in length. Corn snake are usually orange or dark yellow in color. They have red blotches and stripes on the back and lateral sides of the body. Belly is covered with black and white markings. Color of the body depends on the habitat. It provides camouflage. Belly of a corn snake looks like a kernel of Indian corn, hence the name corn snake. Also, corn snake are often found near the corn, which attracts their favorite food, rodents. Corn snakes are not venomous. Unfortunately, people often kill corn snakes because they share similarities in appearance with poisonous snake known as copperhead. Corn snakes are diurnal animals, active during the day. When they are not searching for food, corn snakes are resting hidden in the underground burrows or beneath the rocks and bark. Corn snakes can be also seen on the trees. Corn snakes are carnivores, meat eaters. Young corn snakes eat lizards and frogs, while adults hunt rodents, bats and birds and occasionally eat bird eggs. People appreciate corn snakes because they keep the number of rodents under control. Corn snakes prevent spreading of diseases and damaging of crops that are usually associated with large populations of rodents. Corn snakes belong to the group of snakes known as constrictors. These snakes wrap their body around the victim and squeeze it until it dies out of suffocation. Corn snakes requires food every couple of days. Once the prey is dead, corn snake swallows it in one piece. Corn snakes hibernate during the cold periods of the year. Mating season of corn snakes usually takes place from March to May. Female lays 10 to 30 eggs in the nest made of leaves or rotten wood. Hatchlings emerge from the eggs after incubation period of 60 to 65 days. Corn snakes do not show parental care. Babies are only 10 to 15 inches long at birth and they need to fend for themselves from the first day of their life. Corn snakes reach sexual maturity at the age of 18 to 36 months. Corn snakes can survive 5 to 8 years in the wild and up to 25 years in captivity.